Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today I am discussing the MCQs on antipsychotics, lithium, antidepressants, opioid analgesics and antagonists, and drugs of abuse. Firstly, the antipsychotics and lithium. Question number 1 is the distinctive action of chlorpromazine-like drugs not possessed by any other class of drugs is A. Relief of anxiety without reducing sedation. B. Suppression of aggressive behavior. C. Mood elevation in depressed patients. And D is correction of distortion of thoughts and perception occurring in psychosis. And the answer is D. Chlorpromazine is a phenothiazine that is used to treat psychotic disorders such as schizophrenia or manic depression in adults. It was used in the treatment of both acute and chronic psychosis. Psychosis is basically a severe mental disorder in which thought and emotions are so impaired that contact is lost with external reality. So, the distinctive action of chlorpromazine is that it leads to correction of thoughts and perception occurring in psychosis, as it is an antipsychotic drug. Next, chlorpromazine increases the secretion of the following hormone: A. Prolactin, B. Gonadotropin, C. Corticotropin, and D is antidiuretic hormone. The answer is A. Chlorpromazine has been known to cause amenorrhea and galactorrhea when administered to women. It leads to an increase in serum prolactin levels in normal men and women. The mechanism is through the hypothalamic catecholinergic pathways, leading to decrease of prolactin inhibitory factor and subsequent increase in serum prolactin levels. Next, the psychotic symptoms most beneficial by neuroleptic drugs are A. Judgment and memory impairment. B. Loss of insight and volition. C. Hallucinations, delusions and aggressive behavior. D. Apathy and social withdrawal. The answer is C. The antipsychotic drugs are effective in the treatment of psychosis and agitated states. The symptoms including thought disorder, emotional withdrawal, hallucinations or delusions may be ameliorated by antipsychotic drugs. Next, the constellation of side effects consisting of thirst, polyuria, looseness of stools and fine tremors is associated with the following psychotropic drug: A. Amitriptyline, B. Risperidone, C. Lithium carbonate, D. Lorazepam. The answer is C. Lithium carbonate is effective in the treatment of the manic phase of bipolar disorder. However, the adverse neurologic effects of lithium include tremors, thirst, polyuria, sedation, and aphasia. Next, the following antipsychotropic drug has weak dopamine D2 but additional serotonin blocking activity and benefits both positive and negative symptoms of schizophrenia: A. Loxapine, B. Clozapine, C. Pimozide, and D is penfluridone. The answer is B. Clozapine is a newer antipsychotic agent with high serotonin affinity and weak dopamine affinity. It works by changing the actions of chemicals in the brain. It is used to treat schizophrenia after other treatments have failed. It is also used to reduce the risk of suicidal behavior in people with schizophrenia. Next, which antipsychotic drug has the most sedative potential and is sometimes used as a hypnotic agent in certain clinical settings? A. Fluphenazine, B. Quetiapine, C. Haloperidol, D. Thiothiazine. The answer is B. Quetiapine has strong antihistaminergic effects, causing sedation, and is sometimes used at low doses as a sedative hypnotic agent. Next. Which of the following antipsychotic agent is associated with the QT interval prolongation and should be used with caution in patients with pre-existing arrhythmias? A. Thyroidazine. B. Risperidone. C. Aripiprazole. And D is lurasidone. The answer is A. Of the antipsychotic drugs listed, thyroidazine has the highest risk for causing QT interval prolongation. Thyroidazine has been issued a black box warning suggesting that it is associated with the greater risk. Next. A young male is newly diagnosed with schizophrenia. Which of the following antipsychotic agents would be beneficial to improve his apathy and blunted effects, that is the negative symptoms? A. Chlorpromazine. B. Fluphenazine. C. Haloperidol. And D is risperidone. Answer is D. Risperidone is the only antipsychotic on the list that has some reported benefits in improving the negative symptoms of schizophrenia. It is a second generation antipsychotic, and all of the other drugs have the potential to diminish the positive symptoms but not the negative symptoms. Next. Haloperidol is not an appropriate drug for the management of A. Acute mania. B. The amenorrhea-galactorrhea syndrome. C. Schizoaffective disorders. And D. Tourette syndrome. The answer is B. In addition to its use in schizophrenia and acute mania, haloperidol has been used in the management of Tourette syndrome. Hyperprolactinemia and amenorrhea-galactorrhea syndrome may occur as adverse effects during treatment with antipsychotic drugs, especially those like haloperidol that antagonize the dopamine receptors in the tuberoinfundibular tract. Next. Which of the following drugs is established to be both effective and safe to be used in a pregnant patient suffering from bipolar disorder? A. Carbamazepine. B. Chlorpromazine. C. Lithium. And D is quetiapine. The answer is D. Carbamazepine and valproic acid are effective in bipolar disorder but are contraindicated in the pregnant patient because of effects on fetal development. So the most conservative approach would be to treat the patient with quetiapine. The antidepressants. Question number 1 is, which of the following is a selective monoamine oxidase B inhibitor? A. Salicyline. B. Phenylcyclamine. C. Chlorgeline. And D is moclobemide. The answer is A. Monoamine oxidase inhibitors are a class of drugs that inhibit the activity of one or both monoamine oxidase enzymes, both A and B. They are particularly effective in treatment-resistant depression. In this question, only salicyline is a selective monoamine oxidase B inhibitor. The rest are the monoamine oxidase A inhibitors. Next. Cheese reaction in a monoamine oxidase inhibited patient manifests as A. Precipitous fall in blood pressure and shock. B. Hypertensive crisis. C. Acute manic episode. And D is convulsions. The answer is D. Cheese reaction is a hypertensive crisis caused by the ingestion of foods high in tyramine. If monoamine metabolism is compromised by the use of monoamine oxidase inhibitors and foods high in tyramine are ingested, a hypertensive crisis results as tyramine can displace stored monoamines such as dopamine and norepinephrine. Next, the antidepressant which selectively blocks 5-hydroxytryptamine uptake is A. Fluoxetine, B. Amoxicillin, C. Desipramine, and D is doxepin. The answer is A. The acute effect of selective serotonin reuptake inhibitors is a highly selective action on the serotonin transporter. In this case, only fluoxetine is the drug that selectively blocks serotonin reuptake. Next. A 64-year-old man was brought to the hospital with complaints of pain in lower abdomen and not having passed urine for 16 hours. The bladder was found to be full. His son informed that he was depressed for the last 2 years, and a day before a doctor had given him some medicine. Which of the following drug is he most likely to have received? A. Alprazolam, B. Sertraline, C. Amitriptyline, D. Trazodone. The answer is C. Amitriptyline is a tricyclic antidepressant primarily used to treat a number of mental illnesses like depressive disorders and anxiety disorders. But it can also cause a lot of side effects like constipation, weight changes, itching or rash, breast swelling, and urinating less than the usual. So the answer is C. Next. Diabetic and other types of neuropathic pain often responds to A. Chlorpromazine, B. Diazepam, C. Imipramine, D. Lithium. The answer is C. Imipramine is a tricyclic antidepressant that is sometimes used to treat chronic neuropathic pain, the pain that is due to the nerve damage as in diabetes or changes in the central nervous system and fibromyalgias. Next. The following drug, an antagonist at serotonin receptors, is widely used for the management of insomnia. A. Citalopram, D. Doxepin, C. Trazodone, D. Zolpidem. The answer is C. Zolpidem is effective hypnotic drug but does not act by antagonism of serotonin receptors. Trazodone is an antagonist at serotonin receptors and has wide use as a sleeping aid, especially in patients with symptoms of affective disorder. Next. A 45-year-old woman with symptoms of major depression also has angle closure glaucoma. Which of the following antidepressants should be avoided in this patient? A. Amitriptyline, B. Sertraline, C. Mirtazapine, and D is bupropion. The answer is A. Because of its potent antimuscarinic activity, amitriptyline should not be given to patients with glaucoma because of the risk of acute increases in intraocular pressure. Next, which antidepressant is the most sedating? A. Fluoxetine, B. Duloxetine, C. Nortriptyline, and D is citalopram. The answer is C. Nortriptyline is the most sedating of all the drugs due to its histamine blocking activity. Next. A 25-year-old woman has a long history of depressive symptoms accompanied by body aches and pain secondary to a car accident 2 years back. Physical and laboratory tests are unremarkable. Which of the following drugs might be useful in this patient? A. Fluoxetine, B. Sertraline, C. Mirtazapine, and D is duloxetine. The answer is duloxetine. Duloxetine is a serotonin norepinephrine reuptake inhibitor that can be used for depression accompanied by symptoms of pain. Selective serotonin reuptake inhibitors, tricyclic antidepressants, and monoamine oxidase inhibitors have little activity against the pain symptoms. Next. Which of the following drugs is most likely to be used in obsessive compulsive disorders? A. Amitriptyline, B. Clomipramine, C. Doxepin, and D is venlafaxine. The answer is B. Clomipramine is a tricyclic agent, is more selective inhibitor of serotonin reuptake than other drugs in its class. It's important in the treatment of obsessive compulsive disorder. Thank you.